a very important question. Now here vertex is given as 2 comma 1 and equation of directrix is given. We have to find the equation of the parabola. So first of all vertex is given, so we can write it a 2 comma 1 here, and equation of directrix is given, that is we can write it x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, equation of the directrix. Okay, or you can mention here d dash. Nothing more is given to us, only two things are given, equation of the directrix and the point of the vertex. Now let's see how we are solving it. Now the axis of the parabola is always perpendicular to the directrix and passes through the vertex. This is a very simple thing which we have done many times. I have explained you that always axis is perpendicular to the directrix and axis passes through the vertex, and a line passes through the vertex, that is called y axis, perpendicular, parallel to axis, sorry. Now any line perpendicular to x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is x plus y plus k is equal to 0. Okay. Now from where we got this thing? This part we have already done in the straight lines. Okay. So any line perpendicular to x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is x plus y plus k is equal to 0. This means equation of this line is x plus y plus k is equal to 0. Now given vertex a 2 comma 1 lies on equation 1, therefore 2 plus 1 plus k is equal to 0, and here we are getting k as negative of 3. Now equation of axis is x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Is it clear? So now let this be equation number 2. Any line perpendicular to x minus y plus 1 is okay 2, and given equation of directrix is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, 3. Now just look here, we are having equation of this line, we are having equation of this line. Now solving simultaneously both the equations. Now solving equation 2 and 3, we get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Now where these points will lie? These are the points of z. Okay. Z is the point of intersection of 2 and 3, therefore coordinates of z are 1, 2. Now let focus be S with alpha, beta. Now let this point be S, focus with alpha, beta. Now we are having coordinates of Z as 1, 2. Now coordinates of Z we are having, coordinates of S we are having, coordinates of A we are having, and A bisects ZS. A bisects ZS, therefore using midpoint formula, two is equal to 1 plus alpha upon 2 and 1 is equal to coordinates of A here, and 1 is equal to 2 plus beta upon 2. Now here alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 0. Therefore coordinates of the focus are 3, 0. So now we are having coordinates of the focus S. Okay. Now let P x, y be any point on the parabola. Now where point P will be? P will be here, x, y. Okay. Now we are getting each and everything. Let this point be M. Okay. Now S, P and M we are having. By definition of parabola, PS is equal to PM. Again PM is what? A perpendicular distance on the directrix from passing from P x, y. So PS, now using the distance formula, we are having x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to x minus y plus 1 upon square root of 1 plus 1. And x minus y plus 1 is what? Equation of the directrix. Now squaring both sides, x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to 1 upon 2 x minus y plus 1 whole square. Now this becomes twice of x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square is equal to x square plus y square plus 1 minus 2xy minus 2y and plus 2x. Okay. Two x square minus 12x plus 18 plus 2y square minus x square minus y square minus 1 plus 2xy plus 2y minus 2x is equal to 0. Required equation of parabola, it is x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 14x minus 12x minus 2 minus 14x plus 2y plus 17 is equal to 0 answer.